Yo, what's up guys, welcome to CodingBot. In this video I'm going to show you how to build an APK file by using a command inside of your VS Code. In this screen you can see that I have developed a small application, small Flutter application. This is the emulator. I have run this project or I have run this application by using this Flutter run command. You can see that I have run this inside of my emulator. And the next fact is, you know that we can install a Flutter application to a real mobile device by connecting to our computer and turn on the debug options, and we can run this same command, which is a Flutter run command, and we can install this application to one of a real device. If there is no any error or compilation error, or there is no any mismatch thing, we can successfully install this application to one of our real mobile device. In this video I'm going to show you how to build an APK file by using a command. Before going to the video, make sure to subscribe for CodingBot and turn on the bell icon to get more updates in the future, and put a thumbs up if you like this video and share this video especially to your batchmates. And in this video I'm referring these two documents, which is a docs.flutter.dev official Flutter site, build and release an Android application article, and these two articles. Inside there you can see that there is a command. This command is I'm going to use to generate a APK file. So I'm going to copy that, and you can read these articles. I will put the links on the description. You can get huge knowledge and huge area of knowledge about how to build and release an Android application or a APK file. Let me go to the terminal. Inside there I'm going to open up a new terminal, and I'm going to paste this command. I will put this same command in the description as well. You can copy that, or you can check there and run this command in your VS Code. And inside there's a flutter space build space APK space double hyphens and build name. There should be a equal sign, and in there we can give our application build name. So I'm going to give it as 1.0 and space, again double hyphen. We should give a build number. The build number I'm going to give as 1, and just press enter. It is taking some time to generate a APK file by using this VS Code command or this Flutter command, and make sure there is no any compilation or there is no any mismatch error before running this Flutter build APK file. And you already know that we have to run this Flutter run command. We can run it successfully like this in our emulator if there is no any error only. And this case is same. You can build APK file if there is no any error. If there is any error inside of your code, so inside of your project, it is displaying that there is errors and the APK building is failed. And wait until it is finishing by running this command. Right, you can see that after few minutes you can see that our APK file has built. This is the path where our APK file is saved, and you can see that our APK file is sizing 18.3 megabytes. And now I'm going to show you where it is installed or where it is saved. And this is my folder path, or this is my file path of my project. Inside there you can see there is a build folder, and there is a app folder, and we should go to the outputs and Flutter APK folder. Inside there you can see app release.apk file. This is our APK file which we are built using this command inside of our VS Code terminal. And you can share this to one of your client, or you can upload this to Google Play Store and do whatever the thing with this APK file. You can do this without any matter, and by connecting a real device to your computer, and you can share this to your smartphone, and you can install this APK file as a normal Android application into your smartphone. And this is the video guys. I think you got the idea. I think this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for CodingBot, and put a thumbs up if you like this video, and share this video to your batchmates or to your classmates. I will meet you soon in the next video.